Hello friends, it's been a while. Today we're going to go out camping again and we're going to go and see Carl. We've bought a few more bits and pieces for camping, hammock, so we're going to go hammock camping, a new sleeping bag which will be warmer, and I think that's it. You ready? Let's go. Hello friends. Well, we're here. I'm absolutely knackered. I'm so unfit these past 6 months. So me and Neat here, just waiting for Carl. Uncle Carl's arrived. You alright, dude?
Not a bad example of both packs, actually.
Jeez.
Hello.
Well, we're pretty much set up. My hammock set up there with the M90.
One of these?
One of those.
One of these?
M90 sleeping bag. Oh. Carl's is set up as well. He's just putting his M90 in. Copycat. And then we're just going to chill out, have something to eat, and maybe have a beer. Sounds like a plan.
Did you want to play with the...
Carl is currently doing his bagpipes impression. Not getting much sound out of it.
Oh. I normally have my long stirrer. I've forgotten something. I've actually forgotten something. Oh God, I feel like I'm human now. Oh God, I feel normal. Okay, so when it's flashing red.
Is it flashing red at your side?
Yeah, you're flashing red at your side.
Is it flashing red at your side?
Oi!
Need to know. You can't have any yet.
Full stop.
You can have some of that. Yes. Those wasps have gone.
It'd be interesting if that does actually do the bloody trick of keeping stuff at bay. I mean, I have just had one buzzing around.
Well, there seems to be less buzzy around me.
Yeah. And there does seem to be less insect activity.
Less insect activity, yeah.
Yeah, in the air. Less flying insect activity.
Yeah, you can sort of feel it in the air. Right.
I was going to do the same thing.
I wonder whether that is a bird of prey nest.
Oh, look at it now. I can't see the star.
Start of one. Pretty huge. Probably not.
Right, so let's do this properly. A finger of fudge is just enough until it's... Oh, I've screwed it up already.
A finger of fudge is just enough to give your kids a treat.
A finger of fudge is just enough until it's time to eat. It's full of Cadbury goodness and very small and neat. A finger of fudge is just enough to give your kids a treat.
Hello, chaps and chapesses.
Hello.
Oh, are we tired? Are we tired, Nate? Hey? You nice and comfy there in the hammock and sleeping bag? Yes. Hello, we are currently considering cooking. Boigers.
And alliterating. We're currently considering cooking.
Boigers. Yeah. We've had a bit of a interesting time with wasps. You can see them over there. I don't know if I need to play this. With it being 360, I don't know if I need to. And I got stung on the tongue by a wasp after drinking out of my can and realising there was a lump of wasp in my gob. And as I proceeded to spit it out, the damn thing went and stung me on the tongue. Which is a bit of a bugger.
Bit of a bugger. And as I always say in situations like that, Rather you than me. Sorry, I'm supposed to be sympathetic, aren't
No, you're just being pathetic.
I?
Simp. You simp.
You simp.
No. Thankfully, it didn't hurt that much. You just felt like you'd bitten your tongue.
So does that mean it's going to happen another 3 times?
Yeah. So Neat is having a sleep, and we've got a fire going, as you can see, and hopefully, shortly, we will be cooking burgers.
Pancake time!
This is going to be interesting.
Why? Just see what happens.
Yep. Cooking is you won't have to flip them.
Shouldn't have to, yeah.
Where did your beer go?
Finished it.
Yeah. What another?
If you got it, yeah. I've got some cider and wine. Alright, the pancake mix is in the pan. Let's see what happens here then. Bacon's cooked.
So Nick just did you a little...
Beer's in the divot. And we're off! So let's shut that and see if it... I'm concerned because the heat is in the centre and I don't want to burn
the centre bit.
Yeah. You kind of got a plate or something?
No.
We're fucking good at us, aren't we?
Oh, a minute. Or have I?
Come on, because I've always got this bread bowl. Bread bowl? The reflex bowl stuff.
Yes.
Plus that was filmed at 60.
60, yeah.
Yeah. So that I could slow it down and fanny around with it a little bit. And I quite enjoyed playing with it.
Yeah.
It's just something different to do. But and I can't remember which one it was, but there was one of them where I did lots of sort of like out of the 5 or 6 days, I did bits where I'd either speed it up and then I'd take a frame out of it, and then the last frame out of it would be me coming forward. It would gradually fade in to me saying what the total count was for that day, and I quite like that one. But by hell, it was a memory sapper, resource sapper in editing. But I enjoyed making that one.
Well, what time are we on now? 25 past 7.
25 past 7, yeah.
The sun has set.
The fire's almost raging.
The fire is almost raging against the machine. And that over there looks like a dragon.
I've got it, yeah.
Back to us.
I thought it was a donkey. You can see a donkey?
Yeah, I can see the donkey as well facing us.
Alright, okay, I can't see the dragon with his back to us.
Well, it's not with the back to us, it's facing that way.
Right, okay.
But yeah, I can see the donkey.
Yeah, the donkey's quite an obvious one, isn't it?
Yeah. And it's actually blowing bubbles now.
Yeah. I can't see a chimpanzee.
Hey! Although I can see a buffalo behind the donkey.
Cheers.
2 minutes to 8. As you can see, it's a tad misty. The cows are back over there. Cow is cocooned in his tent. Sleeping bag.
Nita's had her dinner, breakfast. We're just going to have a cup of coffee. It was a nice sleep sesh.
What, that's a long one.
Yeah, that's me watch. Fell asleep at 8:30, woke at 6:30. Nearly 10 hours.
You got up in the night though to go to Middleton.
Yeah.
Yeah, nearly 10 hours, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's one of the longest ones I've had. And sleep.
Hey!